Growing mushrooms indoors starts with setting up the right environment. In this video, I'll guide you through preparing your growing area, including selecting the perfect spot, gathering materials, and creating the ideal conditions for healthy, productive mushrooms, all using common household items. First, you'll need to find the perfect spot. Mushrooms thrive in spaces with these characteristics. Darkness. A dimly lit area, like a closet, basement, or under a counter, works best. Mushrooms don't need sunlight like traditional plants. Stable temperature. Most mushrooms prefer temperatures between 55–75 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the variety you're growing. Avoid spots with frequent drafts or direct heat sources. Accessible for maintenance. Make sure the area is easy to reach for daily misting and checking on your mushrooms. Your location sets the foundation for a thriving mushroom garden. Now let's gather the materials you'll need. These are simple and often already in your home. A mushroom grow kit, perfect for beginners, as it includes the substrate and spawn. A misting bottle, to keep the growing area humid. Plastic tote or tray ideal for containing your kit and maintaining humidity. Hygrometer, optional, to monitor humidity and temperature levels. With these materials, you'll have everything you need to create a mushroom-friendly environment. Let's set up the perfect growing area. Humidity. Mushrooms need high humidity to grow. Use a plastic tote or tray to hold moisture and mist the area daily with water. Ventilation. Ensure there's some airflow to prevent mold. Leave the tote's lid slightly open or drill a few small holes for air exchange. Temperature control. If your growing area is too warm or cool, consider moving it to another spot or using a space heater or fan to stabilize the temperature. Cleanliness. Keep the area clean to avoid contamination. Wash your hands before handling the mushrooms or misting them. These simple steps will help your mushrooms thrive and prevent common issues. Setting up your growing area is the key to successful indoor mushroom cultivation. By choosing the right location, gathering a few simple materials, and maintaining darkness and moisture, you'll create the ideal environment for fresh, delicious mushrooms. Ready to start your indoor mushroom garden? Let me know in the comments where you'll set up your growing area. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mushroom gardening tips. Let's grow something amazing together.